Are you struggling to make money online? Feeling stuck? You're not alone. Many beginners face the same challenge. But guess what? There's a solution. Introducing OLSP Academy, created by Wayne Crow. This beginner-friendly platform is designed just for you. OLSP teaches you to generate traffic and build your email list. Start learning affiliate marketing while earning commissions. That's right. Earn while you learn. No tech skills are needed. No paid ads experience required. Join weekly live training with Wayne and marketing experts. Expand your knowledge with real-time guidance and current traffic strategies. Searching for simple affiliate marketing training? OLSP Academy could be your answer. Don't wait. Click the link below to discover how OLSP works. Find out if it's the right fit for you. Don't miss the next live 7-figure training.